Hey everyone, this is my second PlannerCon party and I'm really interested to see how this one compares to the PlannerCon party that I went to last year and to the PlannerCons in San Francisco that I've been to.
Where you move, make me blind. You will always be there. There's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there. Heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh, oh. 'Cause you will always be there. Oh, oh. 'Cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me.
Amy Tangerine!
There's no air left to breathe. Yeah, you make me feel
Huge fan of the skating community and how empowering it is to be around such an amazing group of women.
'Cause you will always be there. 'Cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one.
Take everything we got, give it an honest shot, turning it on and off, we've been sliding, riding the highest dream, keeping the fire real, I call for you, hold your
An exciting day planned for you.
the wire, aim for fun, with a light your fire. I've been flying up the ceiling, taken by this feeling, maybe we're invisible at last.
Just like the PlannerCon party I went to last year, I enjoyed the more intimate atmosphere compared to the PlannerCon in San Francisco, which has more than 1,000 attendees. At the parties, you have a lot more opportunities to get to know your table mates because you sit with them for a full day, exchange table gifts, and do the workshops with them. My favorite part was the workshops because I found it really fun to expose myself to new types of crafts and techniques. I also really liked the opportunity to give out swaps and interact with other people. To me, PlannerCon is about bringing the planner community together to celebrate our interests and our passions in an environment that we can feel safe to be ourselves in. See you next Saturday. Bye!